What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Selena Esmeralda, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing kind of like a transformation type video, not really a tutorial or like a how-to video. It's more like you're gonna watch me finesse. So in today's video I'm gonna be trying to transform this synthetic wig. It's a lace front wig and it's from Bee Stung Hair. And I got this from Amazon too, and it was really cheap too. I'll leave the link and everything for the hair down below. But this hair is 24 inches. It's a copper red lace front wig, and that's all there is to it. And you just gonna watch me transform this wig and make it look like I paid some good money for it. So let's just get on to it. First things first, let's see what we're dealing with. See the condition it's in. And yeah, I did get this hair from Amazon. It's a full synthetic lace front wig. And I've seen many people do this wig on YouTube and it looks really good, so I wanted to try it for myself. Okay, hold on. Alright. It don't look too bad. Like, it got the shine, but you know, it's a synthetic wig. But I was thinking, like, from seeing the videos, I knew like it came wavy, and I think I want to straighten it afterwards. But first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on. Ooh, child. I was getting cut in my earrings. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. It really don't look that bad. There's a lot of lace, so I'm gonna have to cut that to my ears. I didn't see that. I'm gonna also, I think I want to straighten it. I think I do. I think I might thin it out a little bit too. And I'll talk all about that in just a second. Ooh, it got my eye. But yeah, I think I'm gonna thin it out. I have to cut it towards my ears. And I'm gonna do some plucking on the lace. But yeah, with that being said, we're gonna get right into it and we're gonna finesse this wig. Now, off the bat, I think I might straighten it. I'm not too sure, but I feel like I might. But for sure, I do wanna pluck that hairline though. Like, for sure, I do wanna pluck that hairline, cause girl, you trying to make this look like real bundles, not like not like a Halloween wig. Let me just brush it out. And just from doing that, that's not as much shedding as I expected. That's not a lot of shedding, considering that it's like a synthetic wig. That's not even a lot of shedding for me, just like brushing it both sides. So it's pretty good. And to be honest, like, it don't even feel thick. It don't feel heavy. You know, with like synthetic wigs, they be thick. Like with 2 C's, thick. Oh, this hit. Relax. But I'm feeling these curls. I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it wavy, and then like if I do decide to straighten it like a couple days later, maybe I'll insert like a clip of how it looks straightened too. We're gonna tweeze this very thick hairline. Oh my gosh. So right now what I'm about to do is I'm gonna pluck the hair, but I'm gonna speed up this process because this is not, like I said, it's not a tutorial or anything. It's just, you know, you guys watching me how I transform this wig and how I finesse it. So right now I'm just gonna tweeze the hairline. I'm just gonna tweeze that hairline because that, sis, that is a no-no. So I'm just gonna tweeze the hairline and I'm just gonna speed up this process and listen to some music. So yeah, watch me do that. guys, so I've plucked the hair as much as I could, but let me tell you, this hairline is thick, and if I really try to make it look like, you know, like an HD lace frontal, I will be here all day. I just did the best I could, and like, I'll try to mask it up with some baby hairs and all that, but you know, I'm still trying to do my best and make this look good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braid my hair, and then I'm gonna do the ball cap method so we can then install this wig, okay? So while I was styling my hair, well, the hair, but my hair, because I paid for it, so it's mine. My phone actually died, so the last thing that I was doing before it died was just doing the baby hairs. After I didn't really do much. All I did was I took my blow dryer and my rat tail comb and I passed it over the part so I could flatten it out, because even though this wig is heat resistant, I don't have a hot comb, and even if I did, I would never put that on this wig because it's synthetic and I'm scared of it actually burning off because I don't know how heat resistant it is. But that's all I did style wise, and I also put concealer in my part, and that was everything. After I did my baby hairs, that was all. So this is the end result of how it turned out, me finessing this wig, because I think I did the damn thing. Like, please bear in mind, I am not a hairdresser. I do not do frontals and closures for a living. This is just me using my skills and what I have at home to make this wig look the best and the most presentable. And like, this is just something I wanted to show you guys. You know, you don't need to spend a bunch of money to like have a good wig or make a wig look good, or to have a wig that looks, you know, good, like HD lace and all that. You don't need to spend a bunch of money on this. This wig just cost me 40 pounds. And it's synthetic, so I didn't really expect much from it. It does tangle, but like I said, it's synthetic. I didn't expect much from it. So let me know down below what you guys think of my transformation job, and let me know any tips you may have, so like maybe the next time I can do this even better. And comment down below if you want to see another video like this of me doing this to another wig, because I do have another wig that I'm eyeing that I do want to do this to again. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you can get notified when I post new videos, and hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, that's all I have to say. And instead of you swiping out of YouTube, go ahead and click one of my videos and watch another one. Why not? You know you want to. But that's all for today, guys. Bye.